Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2022 New Holland C332 rubber track skid steer loader. This unit is a very, very well loaded up machine. It is cab heat air. It is EH selectable joystick style controls. It has AM FM radio, heated air ride cloth seat. It does have automatic ride control in it. It does have the big New Holland dash that they're putting in these now. Very nice keyless dash system. 18-inch wide track, power quick attach. It is high flow. I do believe they call it a road package, so it has turn signals 4 ways on it. Snail mode. It does have high pressure and high flow. Auto level bucket. Guys, it has a lot of nice options on this machine. What I did like in this machine, it is a 74 horse, so there is no DEF fluid on this machine. It's a big frame loader. I think it weighs just under 10,000 pounds. It's going to pick 3,200 pounds. Big frame loader, no DEF, has very good power. Control system in these newer New Hollands are very, very nice. Coming with a brand new CID 81-inch smooth bucket. Guys, machine is very clean. It's very straight. There are some stone chips back here. Don't know why they got stone chips there, but there's a few stone chips there. But other than that, pretty straight loader. All the glass in the cab. It has had a full service. All filters and oils have just been changed with OEM New Holland products. Fully detailed and ready to go to work, guys. Very good, clean machine. We're going to start you back here at the engine bay. Take it completely around this machine. So this is going to be powered by a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. No abnormal noise, smoke, blow by, anything of that nature. Does have a master switch. Does have a block heater. We did grab a complete set of New Holland filters and we changed everything. Hydraulic, engine oil, fuel, air, cabin filters, anything filter-wise has been changed and done. Again, very clean in the engine bay. All your zinc plating stuff is very, very nice. Very clean, very straight. AC condenser is up top. You're going to have your radiator and your hydraulic cooler here in the bottom. You do have a remote mount oil filter in this side door here and your battery. You can pull that panel off and get you right to that. Shut the engine door. Top hood comes down. You can snap a padlock out on that. If you're in a job site, you can lock it up. Undercarriage. Tracks are going to probably be 95%. I do like the patterns on it. It rides very, very smooth. Doesn't tear up. Very, very nice setup there. Balance, the undercarriage is probably 85% plus, and that's rollers, idlers, sprockets. I mean, beautiful shape. You can see this is all original paint down here on the track frames. Very, very clean there. Again, very straight. Up front on the loader arms at one time, I'm just going to be honest, somebody touched this up. May have been scuffed up. There's no issues, anything like that. Just telling you the truth. A lot of guys won't point out anything. I'm going to tell you the truth of what something is. Power quick attach. Everything there works excellent, which you can see we've greased it. That's part of the service work we like to do. Up front, I do have a 14-pin cap ordered that will be replaced. Here you are going to have your 1/2-inch standard flow couplers, which on this I think it's 24 gallon a minute. You will have a 3/8 K-strain. You will have 2 3/4-inch couplings up here for high flow. Cab door is complete, glass is complete, door works, wiper works. Inside the cab, you'll see seats like new, heated air ride seat, all works. Again, it is joystick control. Front of the cab is beautiful, straight, nothing is dinged or dented, which you can see that. Hopping in this machine, you will see here when the dash powers up, these do have a very nice dash in them. I'll give them all credit there. They've really come a long way. 658 hours you can get through. You can see how much trip A. You can set all kinds of different parameters. This is your speed and your EH controls. It's called Easy EH. So you can go in and basically change your setting whenever you're in the machine. You can go up here and turn your backup camera on. They do have a very nice backup camera. You can go in here and you have all kinds of different settings and informations. You can get to engine speed, engine hours, battery voltage, creep mode, medium setting on EH control, auto, ride. As soon as disabled, it's now enabled. Just by flipping the switch, back to home. Very, very nice setup. AM, FM, Jensen radio still does have a default. Ugly me here. Backup rear view mirror, you can see. Power quick attach. I'm going to hit the push to operate button here to show you. It is a 2-speed machine. 4 ways. You have beacon light package if you put one on it. This turns you into Snail Mode. Touch you down auto ride control. There is your auto level setup. Wiper washer, all works. AC controls, has ice cold air. Got your joysticks, they're fully adjustable. Foot throttle. Down here is going to be your headlights. Hand throttle, push to operate button. This is going to be your turn signals. So very nice inside the cab. Dome light works. Interior is very, very, very clean. When I turn this camera back over to Landon, guys, we're going to fire it back up. Going to run around and shit. This is what it's supposed to do. Here we go. So, again, everything works the way it is supposed to. The machine actually handles very, very, very well. Was pretty very much so impressed with this machine. What else I liked about it, we can actually go in there and I can set those EH controls just literally just by pushing that button there. Pretty slick. See, I'm operating this machine in what is called ISO pattern, okay? So bucket boom, everything like that is there. Now, if I want to switch that to old series case, okay, you have to basically go in, you gotta think about how you do that. You gotta push the switch, and it will change over to H pattern. It is kind of different how you have to do that. It's actually asking you to engage your parking brake. So basically with your bar up, you can still switch to H pattern so that you can actually do that and run it on that. I just always run them on ISO. Everybody's a hair different there. But it does have that ability to go over to the old case H pattern. Which, if you're running skid loader stuff today, you truthfully are going to be running ISO, in my opinion. Everybody's different. Yeah, I forgot to turn my lights on. Boom's good and tight. It's not all slumped out. There again, guys, it's a 600-hour machine, not 16 or 1800-hour machine. something to take a look at. Seriously, very, very good running working machine. The other big thing with this machine, it's loaded up with a ton of options, which is really, really, really nice. Cab heat air is very good and cold. Does have, like I said, that very nice deluxe dash. Cab heat air, power quick attach, 2-speed travel, 3,200 pound of lift, 18-inch wide tracks, guys. Very straight machine, 100% ready to go to work. There's no issues with this machine. I don't see a lot of these come through. A lot of guys buy these and they run them. I'm very seldom do we get a lot of New Hollands in, but this was something that was nice. It was clean. Very happy to have it. You guys got any questions? 814-658-3066. As always, thank you very much. Checking out Mark Supply Company. As always, have a great day.